Hello friends, welcome to new video. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to construct this solid geometry in Autodesk Inventor. For that, first open Autodesk Inventor, click on a part. Here, click on a 2D sketch. Select XZ plane. Now first we are going to create this base of this part. So you can see here it is in a rectangular shape. Dimensions are 66 and here 32 plus 22. Here 22 is on both side of this part. So 32 plus 22 plus 22. It is 76 and here it is 66. Now here select rectangle, 2-point rectangle option. Mark a rectangle of 66, tab 76. Here you can see our rectangle is ready. Click on a finish sketch. Here click on a extrude option. Now the height of this object is 36 plus. Here it is a radius. Here radius is a given. R is radius is a 16 mm. So 36 plus 16, it is a 52. Now here enter 52. Click on OK. You can see our rectangular shape is ready. Now we have to make this cut here. To make a cut, click on a start 2D sketch. Here select this plane. Click on a 2-point rectangle option. Mark a rectangle. Now we have to give dimensions for this rectangle. The dimensions are the distance between these two lines is 12 mm and the distance between this base and the upper line is 16 mm. Click on a dimension. Select these two lines. Dimensions are 12. Enter. Select these two lines. Dimension is 16 mm. Enter. Click on these two lines. Dimension is 12 mm. Click on a finish sketch. Click on extrude. Select this rectangle. Here click on a cut. Now you can select here choose all option and click on OK. Now here is a fillet of 16 mm. For that, here click on this fillet option. Select the edges. Here enter. Radius is 16. Click on OK. You can see here is a cut section. For that, radius of the circle is 6 mm and the center distance of these two circles is 44 mm. Start 2D sketch. Select this plane. Here click on a circle. Keep your mouse on this outer circle. You get a center point. Click on that point and mark a circle of 12 mm. Click enter. Here also it is a 12 mm. Now click on a line. Connect these two circles. Here click on a tangent. Click on this line and this circle. Click on OK. Now we have to make a cut. Here select the cut option. Choose all. Click on OK. You can see our cut is applied perfectly. Now we have to make this outer part. For the dimensions are width is a 32, height is a 14. Click on a start 2D sketch. Select this space. Here click on a 2-point rectangle. Mark a 2-point rectangle. Dimensions are 32 and 14. 32 tab 14. Enter. Here click on the dimensions, select these two lines. The distance between these two lines is 22 mm. Click on OK. Now here click on a finish sketch. Click on a extrude. Extrusion is up to 48 mm. Here enter 48 mm. OK. Now we have to make this outer circle. For that, diameter of this outer circle is 32 mm. Click on this face. Here select circle. Click on escape. Now click on this trim option. Click on project geometry. Select this line. Click on a finish sketch. Click on this extrude option. Change the direction of this extrusion. You can see our circular part is ready. Now we want a hole of a diameter 16 at this point. For that, click on here, start to the sketch, select this plane, click on a circle. Keep your mouse at this outer circle, you get a center point. From that, mark a circle of 16 mm dia. Here click on a finish sketch. Here select extrude, select cut option, choose all, OK. There are two holes on this rectangular base of a diameter 12 mm. For that, click on this, start 2D sketch, select this plane, click on circle, mark two circles of 12 mm diameter. Now click on a dimension. The distance from the center to this line is 16 mm. Here click on this center and this outer line. Dimensions are 16 mm. Similarly here 16 mm. The distance from the center and this outer line, it is 21 mm. On this center and this outer line is 21 mm. Similarly here 21 mm. Now click on a finish sketch. Click on extrude. Select these two circles. Here click on a cut through all. Click on OK. Now you can see our hole is ready. To color this object, click on appearance. Here you can select a different colors. You can see our part is ready.